Hello, my name is Jesús Chavez and this is my interactive notebook for the evidence tree of human being in society.
So I am here in my desk. Here we have the notebook, the interactive notebook, and what we can find first is the first topic of conceptualization of social sciences. What is knowledge? That has information here. The types of knowledge, what is science and the definition. Then we have the brief history of social sciences, that is topic number 2, and empiricism and rationalism, that both are like the opposites of each other, and the characteristics of each one of them. And then we have history, that how history was developed by Herodoto, what can we question us to find out history, what, when, how, who, why. Then we have this little book. I like to do these little books in all the notebook. I found them really joyful to do. I made these with the colors to look like they are some kind of old, because you know when paper goes old and old, it becomes like this kind of color, like yellow or brown, this kind, I think so. Then we go to topic 4, economics and political science, physiocracy, and then we have here the classic economy and the stuff, these different topics. And then we have the methods used in economics, and we have here there are little papers that have numbers in order to understand them better. Then we have the political science, this, and then we have here a little newspaper that you also will see that there are very much newspapers of this kind in all the notebook that have extra and information about the topic, and this we have different exposures of political science. Then we have this other topic that is sociology and social anthropology. This is another book. Then we have anthropology, is divided anthropology into 2 branches. That is one branch, and what is it composed, and the other and the same. Then we have the topic 6, that is epistemology in social sciences. And I took this table from an activity that we did in the course. I really enjoyed doing this activity, and I found it really useful to make more understandable, almost for me, well, for me it's more understandable this way. So I pasted here the table in order to complete this part of the notebook. Here we have the next topic, the social research methodologies, that there are 3, quantitative, qualitative, and mixed method. That mixed method is the mix of the both of here. The designs, the characteristics of the method. Then we have the process to follow in the quantitative investigation that are here. This like a little notebook, a little old notebook. Then we have this, that is the topic 9, field of research, the class concept taught by these thinkers, Marx, Lenin, Weber, Bourdieu. This also little notebook that social groups can be divided into primary and secondary, primary family, secondary friends, work, and colleagues. Then the development zones, topic 10, political institutions, social institutions, economic institutions, health institutions, educational institutions, and cultural institutions. Then we have the historical materialism. Here we have Marx and Parsons. And this also the concept of alienation, historical materialism, and how they are linked. Then we have the Marx classification of types of society. Then we have the historical materialism, more explanation of the historical materialism. Then structural functionalism, that is topic 12, the status and role and the importance in this topic. And I would like to emphasize this last sentence, that the society is like a clock that has its specific parts, and if one of them goes away, the whole clock stops working correctly. So that is what I got from the topic, and also the example of the body, that is really great. And then we have critical theory, topic 13, information of the Frankfurt School in Germany, more information, this notebook, this drawing. And then we have the topic 14 of structuralism, developed by Claude Levi-Strauss. Here we have Claude Levi-Strauss drawing. This drawing and this little book also. And then we have the last topic, that is complexity and chaos theory in social sciences. The definition of chaos theory, information, this also little book, these two little newspapers that are like also extra. We have this information and the chaos theory. And then we have the complexity theory that also has these kind of papers that are really useful. Sorry, here. They are from letters. They have letters to understand them better, to know that they have an order. So yeah, we can put it here to save it. And yes, that is the whole notebook. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it works for me to study. It is really useful, and I think that almost this could be really useful to anyone that studies the topics of the course. So yeah, I had fun, and also I had a great effort to develop this notebook. So yes, thank you for watching.